Attending the virtual trade show is easy. An attendee's virtual experience begins with a landing page, which is used for promotion, registration, and access to your virtual environment. Once registered, attendees will log in and enter the environment. They will first arrive in the virtual lobby. First-time attendees can be greeted by a virtual host or a drop-down welcome video. Navigation is simple. All locations provide clearly marked signs or customizable hot buttons which invite attendees to visit other rooms within the venue. The easily accessible bottom navigation can take attendees to any room as well. Let's now move into the exhibition hall, where attendees can engage with your experts, peers, and partners in any number of booths and meeting rooms. Booths are both a repository of information and a communication vehicle. Your booth template will be expertly designed to fill your needs. An information kiosk stores documents, images, videos, and links to the content of your choice. All the materials can be easily viewed or saved to the attendee's virtual briefcase. Direct communication is possible between live booth reps and visitors via live text chat, which includes real-time translation across more than 50 languages. Skype integration allows direct voice and video chat. Booth reps and attendees can be reached via private messages. Like a library, the Resource Center serves as a central repository for all information you want to provide your audience. In one location, attendees can easily view, download, or save content from the Resource Center on their virtual brief. Now, let's take a look at an auditorium. Here, attendees can choose from live or on-demand webcast sessions. This can include slides, audio, video, webcam, and screen share presentations, or a combination of the above. Live Q&A sessions provide direct interaction with audience members for both live and pre-recorded webcasts. Social media integrations allow you to reach out and include wider communities. Webcasts can provide closed captioning with subtitles in over 100 languages. Virtual environments can also act as your virtual classroom and are a great tool for delivering continuing education.